Have you noticed you're not as strong as you used to be? That opening a jar is tougher, or that standing up from your favorite chair requires a bit of an extra push. Look, I know that for so many people, the idea of getting weaker just feels like a normal part of getting older that you just have to accept. But here's the truth. It isn't. What you're feeling is a specific, identifiable condition. And once you can name it, you can start to fight it. In my experience, helping thousands of people over 60 regain their strength, I've seen that the invisible thief that steals your ability to climb stairs, play with your grandchildren, and live life on your own terms is a condition called sarcopenia. It's the gradual loss of muscle, strength, and function, and it's the #1 reason we lose our independence as we age. It feels like almost everything is working against you. But what if I told you it's not a one-way street? The science is clear. We can fight back, and it doesn't require a complicated, grueling gym routine. The solution can start with your very next meal. And the reason people have been so successful is often because of the 5 tiny changes I'm going to share with you today. These will take your body's muscle-building efforts from useless to highly effective. So stick with me, because we're about to take back control of your strength, starting right now. Section 1. The real reason your strength is fading. Before we dive into the 5 changes, it's critical to understand exactly what we're up against. You've heard me use the word sarcopenia. Let's break that down. Coming from the Greek word sarx for flesh and penia for loss, it literally means poverty of the flesh. It's a progressive loss of muscle that actually starts earlier in life than most people think, but it really picks up speed after age 60. Now, what's really going on here? Well, as we age, we run into something called anabolic resistance. It sounds complicated, but the concept is simple. Anabolic just means building up, so anabolic resistance is when your muscles become resistant to the signals that tell them to build and repair. Imagine your muscles have a hearing problem. When you were younger, you could whisper the command to grow by eating a meal with some protein, and your muscles would hear it loud and clear. But now, after 60, it's like their hearing aid is turned down. You have to speak louder for them to get the message. That meal with a little bit of protein that used to be enough, it's no longer a loud enough signal. This is why so many people I work with find themselves in a frustrating cycle. They eat what they've always eaten. They stay reasonably active, but they still get weaker. They are providing the signal, but the muscles just aren't responding like they used to. This is where the classic tea and toast diet becomes so dangerous. A breakfast of toast with jam and a small bowl of soup for lunch might seem sensible if your appetite has decreased. But from your muscles' perspective, they are being starved of the very building blocks they need to fight this battle. You're simply not giving them a loud enough signal. So, how do we turn the volume back up? How do we shout at our muscles so they can't help but listen? The answer lies in being strategic with our nutrition. The 5 changes we're about to cover are designed to do exactly that. They are the megaphones that will carry your message to your muscles, telling them loud and clear, it's time to rebuild. Section 2. The first change, the breakfast upgrade with Greek yogurt. Our first tiny, powerful change starts with the most important meal of the day. We are going to swap out the typical, nutrient-poor breakfast for a protein powerhouse, plain Greek yogurt. Many people start their day with toast or cereal. As we just discussed, this is the tea and toast trap. These foods are mostly carbohydrates and do almost nothing to signal muscle growth. In fact, they leave your muscles in a state of breakdown after the overnight fast. Making a change at breakfast is so impactful because it sets the tone for your entire day. So, why Greek yogurt? A standard single-serving pot of plain Greek yogurt contains between 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein. That's a massive head start. Research shows that to overcome that anabolic resistance we talked about, a good target to shoot for is about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. That yogurt gets you most of the way there, compared to the 2 or 3 grams in a slice of toast. But it's not just the amount of protein, it's the type. Greek yogurt has 2 kinds that are perfect for this job. The first is whey protein, which is fast-acting, it gets digested quickly, and its amino acids rush to your muscles, providing that immediate wake-up and build signal. The second is casein protein. Casein is slow-acting. It releases its amino acids into your system over several hours, keeping your muscles in a building state for long. So, you get an immediate jolt from the wet, followed by a sustained release from the casein to keep the process going. And there's one more secret ingredient, a powerful amino acid called leucine. If protein is the team of construction workers, leucine is the foreman with the megaphone. Leucine is the primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis. It's the on switch. Without enough of it, the whole process doesn't start. Greek yogurt is packed with leucine, providing a strong signal to kickstart muscle growth. Here's how to make this change incredibly simple. Just look for plain Greek yogurt. The flavored ones are often loaded with sugar. If it's too tart, add a handful of berries, a sprinkle of nuts, or a tiny drizzle of honey. I've seen this with so many people I've worked with. They'll make this one switch from toast and marmalade to a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts each morning. And within a few months, combined with some simple activity, they feel more stable on their feet and have the confidence to do things they thought were gone for good. That is the power of this one tiny change. Section 3. The second change, the affordable powerhouse. Lentils. Our second change is about embracing one of the most humble, affordable, and powerful foods you can find. Lentils. When people think of protein, their mind immediately goes to meat, chicken, and fish. And while those are excellent, they can be expensive. This is where lentils become your secret weapon. They prove you don't need a big budget to build strong muscles. A single cup of cooked lentils gives you a staggering 18 grams of plant-based protein. When you combine that with some whole grains, like a slice of whole wheat bread or a side of brown rice, you create a complete protein with all the essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. But the benefits go far beyond protein. Lentils are loaded with fiber, which helps with digestive regularity and keeps blood sugar stable. That feeling of fullness also helps with weight management, which takes pressure off your joints. Furthermore, lentils are a fantastic source of iron. Feeling weak isn't always about muscle mass. It can be a sign of low iron, meaning your muscles aren't getting enough oxygen. And a cup of lentils delivers a solid 1.3 grams of our muscle-triggering amino acid, leucine. Perhaps the best part is their convenience. Unlike other dried beans, lentils don't need to be soaked. You just rinse them and simmer for 20-30 minutes. They are practically foolproof. Here's how to easily get them into your diet. Make a big pot of simple lentil soup at the start of the week. Just simmer lentils with some chopped carrots, celery, and onions. Having this on hand for a quick, high-protein lunch is a game changer. I had a man on a fixed income who came to me, worried about the cost of meat. He started making lentil soup his go-to lunch a few times a week. Not only did his grocery bills go down, but he had more sustained energy in the afternoon. He felt stronger, and he was doing it on a budget. So please, do not overlook this humble legume. Section 4. The third change, the nighttime muscle protector. Cottage cheese. Our third tiny change might surprise you. We're bringing back cottage cheese, and it's one of the most powerful muscle-repairing foods you can eat, especially when you eat it at the right time. Here's why. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese delivers a massive 25 to 28 grams of protein. That single serving meets your entire per meal protein target. But the real magic is that it's almost pure casein protein. As we touched on, casein is a slow-release protein. Why is this so critically important? Because a significant amount of muscle loss happens overnight while you sleep. During that 8-hour fast, your body can enter a breakdown state, and your muscles become a convenient source for the building blocks it needs. Eating cottage cheese before bed is like giving your muscles a protective shield that works all night long. The casein protein digests very slowly, creating a steady trickle of amino acids into your bloodstream for up to 7 hours. It effectively flips the switch from muscle breakdown to muscle repair while you rest. The science on this is compelling. One study found that seniors who consumed casein protein before bed saw a significant increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight. Cottage cheese is also a leucine superstar, with about 2.5 grams in a 1-cup serving, which is the ideal amount to maximally stimulate muscle growth. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I don't like the taste or texture of cottage cheese, I hear you. But think of it as a creamy, blank canvas. For a sweet snack, mix in fresh berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon. For a savory option, mix it with some chopped chives and black pepper. The goal is to find a way to enjoy. Imagine you make this one small change. Half an hour before bed, you have a bowl of cottage cheese. While you are sleeping, that food is hard at work, standing guard over your muscles. It's an effortless way to turn your sleep into a productive, muscle-building session. Section 5. The fourth change: the joint and muscle healer. Fatty fish. Our fourth food change introduces a true double-duty champion. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish don't just provide the building blocks for muscle. They also help soothe the very thing that can stop you from using them: joint pain. A small 3-ounce serving of salmon provides around 20 grams of high-quality protein. But the protein is only half the story. The true superpower is their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. As we age, chronic, low-grade inflammation can settle into our joints, leading to stiffness and pain. This creates a vicious cycle. When your joints hurt, you move less. When you move less, your muscles get weaker. And when your muscles are weaker, there's less support for your joints, which can make the pain worse. It feels like a trap. Omega-3s work by actively reducing inflammation. Think of them as a natural, internal soothing balm for your aching joints. The beautiful synergy here is that the omega-3s reduce the pain that prevents you from being active, while the protein provides the raw materials to rebuild the muscle you gain from that renewed activity. It's a powerful 1-2 punch. Some fatty fish, like salmon and sardines, are also excellent sources of vitamin D, which is directly linked to muscle function and is crucial for preventing falls. And I want to specifically mention canned salmon and sardine. While a fresh salmon fillet is a wonderful treat, canned versions are far more affordable and just as nutritious. Canned salmon often includes the soft bones, which are a fantastic source of calcium. This is a simple, practical tip that makes a huge difference. Making this change is as simple as designating 2 days a week as fish days. Section 6. The fifth change: the comeback king. The whole egg. Our final tiny change is about embracing a food that was unfairly demonized for decades: the whole egg. For years, we were told to fear eggs, or at least to throw away the yolk, because of concerns about cholesterol. We now know that, for the vast majority of people, the cholesterol you eat has very little impact on your blood cholesterol. The yolk is, in fact, the most nutritious part. So please, enjoy the whole egg. One large egg contains about 6 grams of perfect protein, meaning your body can absorb and use it with incredible efficiency. Now, you might think 6 grams isn't that much. And you're right. Can you see the problem here? The solution is simple. You just need to have 2 or 3. A breakfast of 3 scrambled eggs immediately gets you to 18 grams of high-quality protein. The yolk is also one of the best food sources of choline, which is vital for brain health and memory. And their sheer simplicity is what makes this change so easy. You can have them scrambled, fried, or poached in minutes. You can boil a batch at the start of the week for a quick, portable protein snack. By reintroducing whole eggs into your diet, you are choosing a food that is both scientifically sound and incredibly practical. It supports your muscles, your brain, and your bones. It truly is the comeback king of nutrition for healthy aging. So there you have it. 5 incredibly simple, yet profoundly powerful, food changes to fight back against muscle loss. Let's quickly recap. The breakfast upgrade. Swap carbs for Greek yogurt to start your day with a protein punch. The affordable powerhouse. Embrace lentils for a budget-friendly, high-protein, high-fiber option. The nighttime muscle protector. Have cottage cheese before bed to prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. The joint and muscle healer. Add fatty fish twice a week for protein and anti-inflammatory omega-3. The comeback king. Welcome whole eggs back for a perfect, versatile source of highly usable protein. Notice that none of these are drastic, but the cumulative effect of these tiny changes can be life-changing. This isn't about vanity. It's about function. It's about freedom. It's about having the strength to get up out of a chair with ease and live with the independence you deserve. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 food changes are you most excited to try first? Or maybe you already do some of them. Let me know in the comments below. Your story could be the inspiration someone else needs to get started. If you found this video helpful and want more practical, science-backed tips, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you for investing this time in your health. Remember, your strength is not gone. It's just waiting for the right signal. Start sending that signal with your very next meal.